So now the men's javelin, the F44, and we're going to watch Jonas of Lithuania. It's his first attempt at the competition. Maksym SOLYANKIN is the only one with a registered throw so far of 48.90. We've seen fouls from Egert, JOESAAR of Estonia, and Giacomo Poli of Italy. And SPUDIS has got this around 40 meters, so that should put him into second place.
Personal best of 42.09. May just be inside that.
The European record is tremendous 58 meters from London 2012 from Tony Paralympic of France.
But I think conditions were rather less blustery there inside the Olympic Stadium than they are here. 42.52, a new personal best for Jonas. So a fine start for the Lithuanian in second place.
Here's Jonas. A tremendous effort. That is well out beyond 40 meters and maybe 52. SPUDIS with a tremendous effort. Disappointed last night in the shot. 42.09 is lifetime best from earlier this year. He has obliterated it. He's in the gold medal position, 50 meters 81. So Patrick STOLL of Switzerland trying to respond. Lifetime best this year of 43.27. This is third round throw, 44.82 previously. That just over the 40.
IPC Athletics European Championships, Swansea 2014. They are in the fifth round on the long jump 50-20. Winning long jump. See, no real change there. One of the results of the score from last score again.
Didn't get what he wanted that time, and he remains third.
33 in the second round.
To the Norwegian Stefan Hem. Needs a bit of Thorkildsen here. 33.99 is best so far, and that's just beyond 30 meters, but unlikely to trouble the medals. And it didn't land straight, and Hem broke the barrier anyway, so it is a foul against him. So now Egert, JOESAAR of Estonia. He's had a couple of misses so far, trying to get himself on the board, and that will do nicely. That's his fourth attempt, and that will count, I'm sure, after 3 failures previously, 3 no throws. JOESAAR is on the board at least. If you get no marks, if you've 6 fouls, officially you don't finish the competition and you don't get a place. I think JOESAAR is ensured that doesn't happen to him. It's a good attempt. It's 35.02 and he's 5th.
And at the conclusion of the morning session, we now have Stefan Hem of Norway, and that's just inside the 40-meter mark. And he looks very happy with it. He's been around 33 meters so far. And he broke his personal best, and he's strengthened his personal best even more, 38.26. A new personal best by nearly 6 meters.
Now for Italy, Giacomo Poli, his 4th attempt, 41.85 in the second round, a lifetime best. Can he improve on it and get into the medals above STOLL, who's on 44.82, but that's shy of 40, so the answer is no. Well, the throw of his life in the second round, but he needs to add another 3 meters to it. 39.03 was his personal best heading into today. He's improved it by almost 3 meters, but has to add that on again to give him a chance of the bronze and to overtake the Swiss. And it hasn't happened this time. Remains 4th.
So Patrick Stoll of Switzerland, just over the 40-meter line, opened up with 44.82, a personal best. And it's been a very consistent sequence of throws from him. But this one will not better his earlier throw. And he remains in the bronze medal position, 40.31 this time.
So SOLYANKIN of the Ukraine, 50.63, his best so far. That came in round 3. Can he improve a throw further on? Well, that is very impressive. It's very long again. There's no 50-meter marker, so we just have to judge. Make a guesstimate about how far beyond the 40-meter line that is, but it's very impressive. It's obviously from the top 3, top 4 outperforming what was expected of them, because there's no 50-meter marker. And this time he'd have been short of it. 48.36, he stays second.
But he and SPUDIS have been in a field of their own so far. And here is the Lithuanian. His 4th attempt, our leader, with a throw in excess of 50 meters. And it's decent again, and it's way over 40 meters, just inside the throwing arc. And at the moment, nobody else can get near him.
Maksym of the Ukraine.
Managing to get it to land point down. Just legal, 47.65. He remains the leader.
So into round 5, Egert JOESAAR of Estonia. 35.02 is season's best. In the previous round, it's the only one he's managed to do so far. And he's got it to stick down. But it's been red flagged, he stepped through, and that will be a foul, and he stays in 6th place.
Stefan Hem now of Norway. 38.26, his best throw. This, his penultimate one. Flying out comfortably over 30 meters again. Won't challenge his personal best of over 38 meters, but he will allow it to be recorded. And we have seen 4 personal bests out of 6 in the competition so far. 33.68. And that goes beyond his previous personal best at the start of the day.
Giacomo Poli, penultimate throw. He's in 4th place with 41.85. Needs to improve his personal best from today by 3 meters. Needs to get beyond the 40. It's up, it's down. It's not going to happen. And he's fouled out. He stepped through. It was shy of 30 even. He stays in 4th position.
Into the medal places, Patrick Stoll. A long jump silver medal way back in 1996 at the Paralympics. Can he add to them here? Well, that's another impressive throw from him. 44.82, his best one so far. And that may just be short of that. But he is looking to close down 2 men who have thrown in excess of 50 meters, something he has never achieved before. Already we've seen a personal best from him, 43.06. So 44.82 his opening throw, keeps him in 3rd place.
Maksym SOLYANKIN won bronze 2 years ago in the Europeans. He's in the silver medal position at the moment, going for gold here. 50.63 is best so far. He's 18 centimeters away from gold. It is again a great throw beyond 40 meters and well beyond it too. But has he managed to find the extra centimeters? Barely the length of a normal school ruler. That's all he needs to improve by in order to deny SPUDIS the gold medal position for now. 48.21, it's still silver for SOLYANKIN.
18 centimeters ahead of him is Jonas SPUDIS. His penultimate attempt. Looking to fly out towards 50 meters again. And he's done that. He'll be very close to his gold medal winning throw as things stand. And at the moment, nobody else can get near him. .49.99. You can't get much closer to a 50-meter throw than that. Still our leader.
JOESAAR of Estonia. We haven't heard the Estonian anthem yet this week. Well, actually we have. It's the same as the Finnish one, and they've played it a few times. He's had, of his 5 throws so far, 4 fouls. That's just beyond 30 meters, but he's walked through. It's another foul for JOESAAR. He'll finish in 6th place in this European javelin final.
35.02, his season's best throw. Now Stefan Hem of Norway. Can he finish with a flourish here? 38.26, his best throw. And he won't have exceeded it there. Around 32, 33 meters. And he was 30 years of age the day before this competition started. And he won't be celebrating with a medal here. But he can console himself with a personal best overall.
Tired arms at this stage. Nobody's been able to pull out the best throw of the competition in the last couple of rounds. Can Giacomo Poli do it? 41.85 his lifetime best from earlier today. Needs to be well beyond the 40-meter line. And that wasn't, because that's the 30-meter line. So it will be 4th at best for Poli, which means the medals have been secured, but the order has not yet been for SPUDIS, SOLYANKIN and STOLL. Poli tried to break in, but that was 32 meters 60. He had only one 40+ meter throw of the day, and Poli of Italy finishes 4th.
STOLL of Switzerland, currently in 3rd, needs to throw 6 meters in excess of his personal best to go beyond the bronze medal position. Final effort from him, giving it everything. And he's over 40 meters, but he won't be close enough to 50 meters to make a difference. And it will be a bronze medal for Switzerland and Patrick Stoll. He can look back on a personal best of 44.82. And his opening throw was good enough to put him on the podium.
So the throw to decide gold. If SOLYANKIN improves by 19 centimeters, he takes the gold away from SPUDIS of Lithuania. Can he do it? It must be over 50 meters. He's put a lot into it, this Ukrainian. Every single throw beyond 48 meters up to this point. It's well beyond 40 for sure. Is that enough to get him the gold? He will upgrade from his bronze of 2 years ago at the last Europeans. There's a handshake between him and SPUDIS. I think he knows already it won't be an improvement. He's thrown 2 beyond 50 meters. SPUDIS just the 1, but SOLYANKIN is denied. It's silver for him, and SPUDIS wins the gold for Lithuania.
And this just one final throw for our gold medalist, Jonas SPUDIS of Lithuania. 50.81, his best throw so far, and he's close to 50 meters again. It is going to be gold for the 34-year-old. A handshake from his competitors. It's been high class at the top. SPUDIS and SOLYANKIN a long way away from the rest of the field. And SPUDIS will finish 48.17, but his 3rd round throw, 50.81, enough to give the gold medal to Lithuania.
So Johan SPUDIS, a fine winner of that men's javelin competition, a personal best of 50.81. SOLYANKIN with the silver for Ukraine and STOLL the bronze for Switzerland. So Johan SPUDIS, a fine winner of that men's javelin competition, a personal best of 50.81. SOLYANKIN with the silver for Ukraine and STOLL the bronze for Switzerland.